Welcome back. So this is XMG loss link from Badgercoin part 9. So the last thing that we have found out is this new path. Okay, so we've got the magic coin, which comes from X11 coin, which comes from this C-Brains X11 coin. Then there's the X currency, which is we don't find anything about X currency anywhere. So there's this question if magic coin comes from X11 coin or from elsewhere. Yeah, so. And I think that there's apart from the other thing is that okay, so it would seem that Magicoin has used a Nova coin base, okay, which is based on what was in Peercoin in 2013, which is quite similar to Fair Y coin. Yeah, Fair yet another coin, and then there's a copy paste of X11 coin and so on, or the other way around. So you've got the X11 coin and then you add the Nova coin base or whatever. So if you take a look at this repo, which I guess that yeah, there are some coins that are similar to X11 coin, and probably, yeah. So this is XC official ready, which is the X currency, and I've been searching for some what's the name, some wallets, some downloads, so that we can take a look at the X currency source code, but I wasn't able to find any of that. Yeah, and this is a question about the person that makes XC and so on. Yeah, unfortunately there is no thing interesting on the X11 coin part. Okay, in archive.org, but it's similar. Okay, let me check if there's anything that makes sense that we can take from here. Okay, there's this thing about, take a look. I think not X11 coin, we want to check W2. So there's this asterisk and then asterisk, and you can check everything here. And so that, well, it finds even stuff that it's not in 3W2. So maybe wait a minute. Why is this text HTML? Are we going to be able to download this version? No, it does not seem so. 28th of May. Okay, let's see. Thank you for the let me see if I can get any of this. I don't think so, because Yeah, there's also this IP which you can use in order to download XC stuff, but I'm not sure that there's anything here. So yeah, we can try the same trick here. So we've got this thing here. We can ask everything that it's archived under this URL, and nothing has been archived, and that's a shame. But yeah, I mean, Badgercoin. Let me 1 second. Where the hell is this? Not here. Anyway. Okay, so XC. Where the hell I was checking stuff? This is yeah. Here we are. Will I be able to search raw here? So we can search here. I'm not sure if we want to. XC rar talk. Yeah, wait a minute. There's XC official. Have since XC official. This is another URL. Maybe we have something here that we can take a look at. Okay. Can't we order by damn it. Robots.txt. Let's take a look, see if we can find anything that I don't know, that it's similar to. Why don't we have the what's the name? Okay, let's take a look at all of these files to see if we can find anything that makes sense. Short-term roadmap. Okay. Then there's this. So in number 1 page, there's this URL which I like a lot because it's like token that we can search for. Okay, there's a video. Maybe we can search for X currency or something. No way. Okay, so let's search a little bit more, but I don't think we are going to find anything useful in any of this, as we have seen before. asking myself if GitHub is around here. Should we have? Yeah, maybe with an HTTPS. So what you want to take a look at here is, hello viewers, seems that there are 3 of you, so myself once more. That's nice to know. Okay, let me see. Yeah, this is not going to work. We can try to search on this thread thanks to logging in the bitcointalk.org, and we can also try to search on the internet or whatever. But this does not exist anywhere, unless it exists in GitHub, because people put weird stuff in GitHub. They put binary files and they ask themselves why nobody wants to. Oh my god. Comments. Yeah, this does not make sense. What about issues? Yeah, that's the name here is a bit confusing and doesn't find stuff. Yeah, I could search for the exact name, but I don't think this is going to be any good. So I could say something like the file needs to be something. Where is this? And including forks, and we want this file name. Are we going to be able to find anything? Packages. Profile show posts. We don't know who this guy is anyway. We are past the fork, so that is must be removed. Okay. We don't know this profile who it is. Just unless it's shown somewhere. Yeah, I should be able to open the exact post, isn't it? That way I will be able to check. Okay, so this is all the posts of 86 Secure. Nice. So yeah, maybe we want to go to the past and we can find how this guy, I mean, I guess that sometimes he will be able to talk about X currency or whatever. Okay, look at that X11 coin announcement. Let's see. Look at that. This is ATC Secure talking about Summer Coin. So maybe he made Summer Coin and we can yeah, let's take a look at summer coin from ATC Secure. So let's assume that this is from, okay, so here there is someone that makes this summer coin. This is 2014, and does it ATC Secure have anything to do with this coin or not? X11, cooler in summer. April 20. This is around the X11 coin. This is based on Dark coin. The X11 coin was supposed to be a fork of Dark coin or something like that. So what the hell was the search that I was doing? Have I managed to lose my original search? Okay, here's there is still the search is here on the tab that it's called latest. Let's see if we can search for older capital coin. %10 daily should be interesting. Okay, which two coins? Look at that. Which two coins? 50%. Remind Young, no fool's gonna touch this. This is the Badgercoin announcement, and ATC Secure is around here. Wait a minute, Badgercoin is supposed to be before X11 coin. What about X currency? Okay, let's search for more stuff about this guy. Okay, apparently he was interested in the summer coin initiative. SC, summer coin, SC. We have XC. Unless the ticker was something else, which we don't know. Wait a minute. So this is Badgercoin. This is summer coin. Which is the ticker for summer coin? SUM. Okay. There is no permine. Each block sends 20 coins for foundation support. Oh my god. But this is quite interesting because these are coins that were around the time when ATC Secure was taking a look at Bitcoin talk. So we've got this summer coin, which I guess the version 2 is quite new, I guess. This is Sherlock coin. X13 power, yeah, X13. And it has this. Guess you will have the same thing over and over again. Devils UC. Okay, this comes from white coin, as we already knew. White coin or black coin, I guess. That was forked from white coin. But it's always the same. It's always the same thing here. I guess that this is more old. No, this is quite new. 6 years ago. Yeah, there's. Okay, so this is the one that it's more. This is the one that is more similar to what we already know, but it's always the same thing. I mean, wait, there are much less this. Summer coin V2 address. Okay. And Bitcoin string, Bitcoin units. Sorry. This is. Do not remember too well where the hell was this. Okay, here it is. Summer. Oh my god, this is awful. Summer coin B2S. This is the ticker. No, SUM2. Okay, the ticker is SUM2. Yeah, I mean, all of the. Probably he was part of the team, and then he said, "Oh, this is from. This is legit. This is legit." Okay, this is the Badgercoin thread. Okay, let me see. What the hell? Summer coin. Okay. Let's remove some stuff from. Okay, so this is XC. This is Blocknet, which we don't care about it so far. And we should go to the future, and sometimes, I mean, we will check this XC. So we want to check which is the first. Let's see if we can check some posts from ATC Secure. From the X11. From the XC. Okay, so here you have This isn't a pay in the clone. Yes, I mean this is the announcement about new forum topic. ATC secure is here. Source will be posted shortly. Yeah. No log on a sign and nothing. What's that def? Yeah. Looks like it is X11 coin and the conf file is x11coin.conf. X11 coin. Anyway, what we are interested on is old projects from ATC Secure, like Summer Coin. I mean, Summer Coin is similar. 10% daily. This should be interesting. Summer Coin. What about the wallet? Capital Coin. Okay. Okay, look at this. Just received the payment that appears to be 10%, so looks good. Maybe he was pumping the Summer Coin. Look at this. Just look at the name of the person who claims that he got this 10%. The same noob faker scammer liar troll. Summer Coin. Yeah, I mean so ATC Secure might be behind Summer Coin. The question is, do we care? Because yeah, Summer Coin is a bit older than what's the name? Let's write this down. So otherwise, so this is Summer Coin. Is around the time that Badgercoin was made. Probably from ATC Secure himself. Okay. They might have a common ancestor. So I'm not sure this X currency thing is really a thing that we can rely on. But yeah, Summer Coin is from the same time. So maybe we can check again this GitHub Summer Coin, which I have around here. Here you are. So this is Summer Coin. Is from 2014. 603. So that's nice. I need calendar for all of this stuff, because otherwise this is getting confused. Calendar. So I have a calendar somewhere. I want it. Okay. So this is the see something. Where are you? Several coins. So we can do something like this. And that way it's going to be easier. This is the first commit. Okay. Then what you have is X11 coin, which is the one that we know about. Okay, and so first commit is from Beast. Oh my god. Yeah, let's do it like this. So X11 coin, which is the first commit of X11 coin. Do we have it around here? Yeah, here you are. Yeah. Okay, then you have this magic coin. First commit is from 2015 something, isn't it? I wonder if Badgercoin is from ATC Secure after all. That will be a nice turn of events, but I don't think so. Let me see. I can check for this on something like this. So I have the Machi repo. And the Machi repo first commit is whatever. $20.15. Okay, anyway, let's write it down. Nine. Yeah. So this is the calendar that we have so far, and the first commit, yeah, then we should have the last commit. Yeah, the last commit from X11 coin is which one it is. May. Wait a minute. Yeah, I mean, yeah, there is an overlap here, apparently. But the thing is, what we care about is that the first commit makes sense with this one, and so on. Okay, so Seabrain's coin. So Badgercoin. Let's work on Badgercoin. Badgercoin. Yeah, let's search it. I'm supposed to have it here somewhere. Okay, so the last comment is from this date. And the first commit is 26th of April. Yeah. Okay. What more do we have around here? We also have white coin. Yeah, white coin. Yeah, white coin. It's going to be something that it's a bit confusing to do. White coin. And so yeah, we have white coin around here and my repos, I guess. Yeah, so the latest, I mean there are more versions, but latest version is from 2014 May 16. Then the first comment is unfortunately from this one. So as you can see, everything is a bit fussy. Everything is almost from the same dates and so on. What more do we have here? We have this ghost coin, which I don't think it's even a thing, so I'm not going to take a look at it. So I'm going to take a look at mint coin. Although, yeah, so basically the calendar is something like that, and we can go to the past if we want to. Yeah, so this is something like this. Okay, so 2014. So there's this. I'm going to show you this fork, which I like a lot. This is the fair yet another coin. And this fair yet another coin, it's something, and the development process is exactly the same one as the first commit of Badgercoin, and you have a link from readme to readme.md and so on. So I think that this part is from what's the name? This part, if it's from NovaCoin, and whatever the reason is, they used something from there, from yeah. So here you have this 20 line, and this is fair, or was it? Yeah, it's 22. It comes from white coin. they have not modified the coin. So this is quite good, I guess. So in Bitcoin strings you have Qt Bitcoin strings, not this one, Bitcoin units. You've got the new units, which are for coins, FAC, okay. Yeah, and then there was this other, yeah, okay. So as you can see here, you don't have an UI folder as you have on newer versions, okay. This is because this is 2013. We should work with Nova Coin from 20 something, okay. But even then, we know that this comes from X11 coin because we have this XC stuff and so on. And what more? Yeah, Badgercoin maybe is what you want to work from instead of Whitecoin. You want to work from Badgercoin and then work your way around. Okay, anyway, let's work with something that makes sense. We managed to write down something the other day we want to link Cbrain's X11 coin to X11 coin with fake commits, and then from there you can go back to Badgercoin and see what the hell are the differences, okay. So yeah, so we want to link Zebra coins to X11 coin and see what the hell the difference is. So here we are. Here we go. So we have this X11 coin, which is the ATC secure, okay, and I don't think we have let me see. Yeah, let's go down here. We don't have anything about the Cbrain fork, so we need to download the Cbrain fork, the first thing. Okay, this is pure coin, which we have a lot of stuff from back in the day, which is quite difficult to find the exact fork where everything was. There's this Cine coin also that it's probably from the same person, but maybe not. Yeah, okay. Yeah, let's focus on our repo, and our repo is the Cbrains something. Okay, here you are. And now we want to be able to clone this. So now what we can do is to make Okay, make a copy of this thing. We want to create the we want to create Cbrains ATC secure work around X11 coin. Okay, and we want to move Cbrains. I mean, we can do something like Cbrains X11 coin, Cbrains X11 coin original, and we can move the original folder to this Cbrains ATC secure work. And now we should be able to compare with whatever is into 2020 something. But this 20 something, this needs to be on the first commit. Okay. Yeah, so the first commit is this one, so maybe we can X11 coin. Yeah, so X11 coin initial commit. Let's take a look at this branch. Okay, that's the right branch that we want to do to be on. And now we can have another folder where we do another tab where we do a tab. So we want to work on the Cbrain ATC secure XKC from work. And so what you want to do here in Cbrains Xcoin is to compare to whatever you had. Okay, so let's go here. So what you want to do is to apply. So we have a compare comment around here. Yeah, here you are. X11 coin initial commit. Oh, okay, yeah, that's what we want to do actually. Yeah, that's right, because it's the same thing. Why is there a, yeah, there's a point, because these are some lines. So now we should be able to make a comparison, but before doing that I'm going to close the older comparison from X11 coin and white coin, because we no longer want to. Okay, there are some errors here. Now we will be able to check if there is actually something makes sense. So on the right we have old code, and on the left we've got the new code. So the old code, we somehow this gets removed, which this is a hit attributes stuff, and this hit ignore from the past is quite specific to Visual Python. So we might find we could search for this kind of text. Yeah, we could search for git ignore files that have this text inside of them. I mean, if we could search inside the files. So apparently there is something about Python, and yeah, look at that. The other thing that's the same thing is DS store and the back files, but everything else it's not the same thing. So yeah, not sure if this is. Wait a minute. Look at that. Once we go to the future, we've got this x11 coin dash qt.app on the files. So you should be able to search for files with file name hit ignore, which are on the root folder, which have inside of them okay, let me see, which have inside of them x11 something something test x11 coin qt underscore test, and maybe we will be able to find something else. We only have coin, the coin that we already knew about, Winx, which is similar, this one which we already know, and this Anonai which we already have seen before. What about just searching x11 coin instead of all of this? Should we find more forks or whatever? Okay, so far index coin, look at that. Brown coin, look at that. One's coin source, one on it. Meatball coin, Fire Geek one. Oh my god, this is amazing. Bitcoin integration staging 3. What the hell? Index coin, and this is based on x11 coin. Other cheat attributes to ignore files, and this is where it uses the. Wait a minute. Haven't I seen index coin? Look at that. Once he applies index coins, he replaces this, so that you have this x11 test x11 coin. So the only problem with index coin is that it's from 2015, so it's quite new. So I'm not sure this is going to be useful for us. What about brown coin? Brown coin, it's also from 2015. Now wait a minute. Yeah, I have not removed index coin. Yeah, okay, so we want something next to September 24, so that we can link with Badgercoin. We don't want something from 2015. Okay, brown coin is the same thing. Ounce coin, and this is the same thing. You've got the JIT attributes, and then I guess that you you override them with whatever. I'm not doing this right, sorry. So you've got all of this, and then when you check this initial commit, okay, now when you get to this initial commit, something happens. Yeah, but this is from 2015, so we don't care about it. This is another one from 2015, and 2015. So what we're looking at here is X11 coin D. What about using X11 coin D? What about using test? Like this. What about this is in another folder because whatever the reason is. Brown coin. Yeah, we already know about brown. BRNNXT coin. This is not something that we have explored yet. Coin, this thing, meatball. Yeah, we already have seen it. Far gig. Why is this twice? X11 coin keeper. Okay. And this is also from 2015. Is there any one of them that it's XC? No, it's not. Oh, look at that. Here, there is no country here. So maybe there is no country from this on these repos. That's to be expected because this is something from the past. Wait, there are two branches. Well, this is the same thing. Maybe we can explore. Okay, here there is only one repo. Here there is only one repo. What about this one? Init and init1. Maybe init1 is a bit older. Okay, init. Yeah, init and init1 is the same thing. Meatball coin, which seems to be also okay. WinQT, we have something interesting here. We've got an exe. Far gig. This was interesting because it talks about Bitcoin, but yeah. Yeah, that was interesting, knowing that you've got these changes here. So first of all, we are going to check the changes and we will make the comments. So license, readme. Okay, so apparently originally you didn't have the readme.md. Yeah. Damn it. Okay, this has been removed. Yeah, this is GIT. We don't care about GIT. Let's go to the next difference. Okay, apparently I've managed to make this blow up. Okay. let me search the last GIT difference. Let's see if we can manage to. Okay, so we have managed. Okay, so Debian bin folder. So here we can check some of the differences that we have. We didn't have the country Debian bin folder, and it is added here with the mint coin stuff. Okay, this is why we know that this comes from mint coin. This is some utilities, and now we have some nice stuff. Okay, so checkpoint, we have a checkpoint. The master key is different. What the hell is this? I don't know. We remove a Mac file, we modify a Mac file so that it's a bit more new. We can also take a look and search for this on the we can search for this. Maybe we can search for this and see who the hell used this code back in the day. Yeah, it's maybe what we want to do. Wait a minute. So where the hell is this? So what we can do here is to go into the work here. So this is the original code, and src should have a make file for Windows or something similar. So here we have at line 19, which is this line here. So we can search this on GitHub. Let's see if we can manage. So there are 265 thing that uses this. Oh, now we can find repos from back in the day. Orchid coin, Zeta coin, Otter coin, Stalwart packs. Oh my god. Rabbit coin, Europa coin. So how many of this? Based on Litecoin. Okay, so probably these projects were based on Litecoin, which is based on Bitcoin. They do not have the country folder. They are around the same time, which is 2014. Yeah, 2018. Orchid coin. What about this? Terminal end order. Dogecoin. Otter coin. Yeah, I don't think this is what we are looking for. Although Litecoin. Though we could take a look at what happened in 2014. Although I don't think it's nothing. me see, 2014. We have the country directory. This is something about, it's not exactly the same message, and here on detail loader I don't think it's contenido because this is Litecoin and he didn't work there. Okay, stalwart box also doesn't seem to be the right thing here. Oh wait a minute, here there are commits all the way to 2018, but there are commits from 2014, and this is interesting because we can take a look at, I don't know, which are the dates. So the dates is September 2014 or something like that. But if we want to take a look at X11 coin, maybe we are more interested in May 2014. So let's take a look at May 2014. Let's see what's there. May 2014. Okay, this one. Star Wars something. Okay, there is no country directory. Very much frequently asked questions. Okay, and yeah. So if you take a look at the share, this is from Litecoin. Yeah, this is Litecoin, so it's nothing too difficult to do. Okay. Rabbit coin. This seems to be something similar. Merge from private branch. Yeah, there are some stuff from 2014, but nothing related to country for anything. We don't have any message. Europa coin. Okay, there are only 2 commits, and Europa coin is like Bitcoin but based on Litecoin and much more. Whoa! Oh my god. Yeah, so apparently there are some of these repos do not have country, but I think that this one does not have. Yeah, this one has country also. I thought it did not have it. It has it. Wait a minute. What about the first commit? Yeah, the first commit also has a country directory. Yeah, so maybe we shouldn't be looking for everything that we find different on each one of the files. So let's continue and check whatever is different from these 2 X11 coin different versions. Okay, this is removed, and this one, look at that. So this was originally x11coin.info, and then it's replaced by xcofficial.com, DNC seed, all the coin. Wait a minute. What the hell is this stupid all the coin thing? Let's search for this. Archive. So what we want to search, so what what we want to search. Is all the co.en. Let's see. What the hell is this? Is there? Do we have any tip or something? Do we have any rar? Do we have any zip? Do we have any? Do we have something that makes sense? Okay, so let me take a look at here. This is probably the same page with another coin. Okay, so let's send. What? Ah, okay. Seems that there is block explorer or something here. Let's take a look at this file here. Let's see what the hell was around here. Whole coin. Look at that. Whole coin. Nice. Whole coin. Damn it. Why isn't there more repos? So if we go, so this is whole coin. What does happen if we go to the future? 2016. Yeah. Whole coin. Whole's economy. Oh my god. Pain industries. Yeah, so API front end. Is there anything else? Full core. Yeah, this is what we want to check. Full core should be full coin. But the question is, Bitcore. This is different than the usual Bitcoin repo. And then you have the front end and the API. Yeah, this is Bitcore, which I think it's another Bitcoin implementation. So it should interact with the Bitcoin blockchain and all of that, but it's not Bitcoin per se. Bitcoin that came from Satoshi Nakamoto. Okay, so whole coin is not anything that we want to take a look at. And this Europe coin, we don't care too much either. Yeah, let's keep this open just in case we want to search something else later. Okay, so yeah, we have this testnet line, and then we have these SIDs, these IPs. Okay, so he adds IPs so that you use whatever SIDs you want to. Why the hell the original blockchain or the original coin did not have these IPs? That's interesting to find out why. That's it. Why was it? Okay, so protocol version is pumped a lot, and min proto version is modified. Yeah. Display version 0914, 09133. We already knew about this. Okay, hit ignore, which is empty. Wait, this is on OBG folder. Yeah, so apparently there are not so many changes from one place to the other one. So I'm not sure this is worth too much checking stuff, but yeah, there is no coin change. There is nothing that makes sense so far. Okay, so going back in a minute, and we will make this fake commit so that we can work easier with the white coin, with Badgercoin and so on. Yeah, because we managed to find Badgercoin, isn't it? Yeah. We have to go into Badgercoin first, and then we will do make Badgercoin to white coin. Okay, I'll be back in a minute too. Okay, so let's do it. First of all, we need to make a branch here, now that I think about it. And this branch needs to be something something, which I'm going to check around here, I guess. So manual fork, let me copy. So this is going to be, let's see, how the hell do we do this? So we go from C range to ATC secure. So let's write here X11, so that we don't have to write X11 coin, which is going to be quite long. And now we can, what's the name? We can update this and apply some changes. So hit attributes. Yeah, maybe we can start with this. Hit attributes and hit ignore. So now we should have this. Wait a minute. Oh, I need to save everything. Yeah, that's right. So now I can add everything here. And I can commit something, which I think I had yesterday around here. So this is something like fork towards ATC secure X11. Hidden. So this is hit ignore and I mean, I'm not going to hit ignore, hit attributes. I don't care too much about this comment, if I am being honest. We also have license and readme. Yeah, so let's apply this. Yeah, probably we should do this again, see what happens. Yeah, there's no longer a difference. But we were modifying something else. We were modifying the license, isn't it? Name repository. Edit this file. What the hell is doing this? Yeah, that makes sense. Otherwise, okay. So we want to be here, app, but there's nothing. This does not make sense. Have I applied the changes the other way around or something? Let me open the original repo, which is twice. I mean, it's not the original repo because we are comparing a directory, so that means that damn it. Okay, let's do one thing. Let's compare initial commit, but not this one, the complete repo. That way we can manage to see if there was something else. No. Okay, so apparently it's only the readme which is changed. So this is readme. Nice. This readme is going to be removed by what's the name? By Badgercoin later. So let's continue to check all of this. See what the hell. Yeah, apparently comparing GIT files is quite difficult to do. Yeah, but they need to compare stuff and so on. Maybe I should use meld and that's it. Should work same thing, same way. Maybe it's a bit better for this stuff. Okay, so I'm not sure if this is what. Okay. So the first change is this one, but I'm not sure what is the change amount. License. Is this a directory? Okay, this is an empty folder. Oh, that's why it is not on GIT. You need something inside of it so that it's inside GIT. So what's the difference between the two? We don't know. Or is it a file? Empty folder. Not sure if I'm understanding this program. So here okay, so this is a new file because they are in green. Yeah, that's right. This is a new file because it's in green. Yeah, probably there's an option okay, look at that. Binaries, backups, OS, specific metadata. Well, anyway, so we've got this Mintcoin QT stuff around here, and yeah, so wait a minute. This is something that should be always here, but whatever the reason is, this was removed from here. So I guess that yeah, these are the binaries which are removed. Originally these are removed, then they are added back. Yeah, let's copy it to the right, everything or whatever. Have we, I mean, this is already copied on the right. That's interesting. What? Okay, so country Debian bin, and so this is use new mint coin D, mint coin Qt files for Debian package. So what I want to check is what the hell is in this directory on the left. And this should be here. Okay, yeah. I mean, okay, so more stuff. Let me show me next change or whatever. Read me and make seeds. Yeah, these also are subfiles that are not here. Whatever the reason is, they are not here. And why are they here? Well, I don't know. So these are sets. Yeah. Once again, we can add country sets. Which is a directory which is actually not used, but that way we have here the whatever it's needed. Oh, take a look at this. There are some changes around all of this which I had not seen before. Maybe because compare ignores binary files, or it does not ignore them. Alt B2, oh my god. What more do we have around here? Checkpoints.cpp, version.h, license. Okay, so check ignore. We are going to copy this. We're going to make a copy and stupid srcfg. Mean these are random files that are added to the repo, which do not help too much for for this to be updated. So yeah. So then you've got this. Oh wait a minute. So this means that we want to remove these two files so that it's the same thing. So this is Qt. You see, this is Qt. src Qt local, src Qt local, and we have two files which apparently are removed. QM, what the hell is QM? So this one, Bitcoin QM. Now we can say something like Bitcoin. Okay. What more do we have here? Now we can refresh, and we shouldn't have any more. Wait a minute, maybe the problem is that this is an empty folder on the right, and on the left this is a file. Seriously? Are you telling me that we have an empty folder on Cbrains? This is getting confused for the moment. Yeah, fucking empty folder which is license. Not sure how the hell this was on the folder. Yeah, that's why it was so difficult to do this. So let me see. So what you want to do here is to delete the license folder, and then you want to copy whatever you have on the left, and if we now refresh this, we should be able to find readme on the license file on the left. So yeah, so now we are done, and yeah, this is interesting because added license file. Test, because we have not removed the folder, so I'm not sure how the hell this was saved into the repo originally. Because yeah, okay, so now we should be able to continue this stuff. Okay, so we are interested. Why the hell do we have this HTTP socket and HTTP H? I mean, is this something that... Wait, empty folder. And this is an empty folder. Why should we add those empty folders? I mean, is this something that it's on the final version here somewhere? So if I take a look here on X11 last version, do we have these empty folders which are on src qt then we should have an HTTP something, and it's not there. But apparently the first commit here it is. That's interesting. Let me see. Not the commit. Let me check the... Damn it. Let me check the... the code here on the first commit. Do we have a folder? No, we do not have it. What the hell? Why is there a folder here? Empty folder. What the hell? Wait a minute. Do we actually have a folder down here on the left? So the left should be this one here, srcqt. Yes. Where the hell do these folders come from? What? So these folders are here and they are ignored because they are folders without any files on it. Is that the reason why they are kind of ignored? So if I go here into this repo, okay, let me take a look at this. There's nothing here. I mean, nothing that makes sense. Oh my god! Okay. Let me clone whatever it's here on my repo. See if there's something that shouldn't be there or whatever, because this is quite interesting. So if I take a look here, I copy this and damn it. So do we have a folder which is HTTP? No, we don't have them. Hit branch remote. What about origin def? Yeah, but def is the same thing as the master, isn't it? Origin def? Wait a minute. Do I have this here? 3 branches, def. But this is going to be the same thing. Yeah. Don't care about this. My question is, yeah, so if I go here and I say something like hit checkout this thing, first commit branch, will I have these folders which are quite interesting to have? No, there is no folder about something something, so I'm not sure. Yeah, maybe this was something about making some comparisons and we managed to make it wrong because of compare, put in there some stuff. So let's remove this file here. Okay, so let's go back here and let's remove this stupid because yeah, let's remove not from here but from here. We should have those files, which I don't remember too much. How the hell was this? Yeah, so these are two files which I don't think should be here. So now we can go back here and refresh everything so that this is nice. Okay. I'm not sure what the hell this means. Oh, you can bookmark stuff or not. Anyway, let's do it. Let's do some stuff here around this. So we've got this old B2, which what the hell do I have? Have I copied everything? No, I have not. Yeah, so old V2. Yeah, old V2 is the same thing as on the left. Yeah, because we have done a copy. We are working on C-brains. Okay, so this is not used, but we add it because, yeah. More stuff that we might want to. Okay, so we have this x11coin.rar file, which shouldn't be there. So let's add this. Yeah, so added this non-used file. Yeah, I think this file is removed later because it doesn't make sense anymore. We have managed to wait, did attributes. Yeah, we should remove this from the left, isn't it? Hit attributes shouldn't be here. So hit ignore. But I think we made a change about hit attributes. What was it here? What the hell is this? Yeah, but this is not right. So yeah, so hit attributes, it's removed because it's not here on the left. Wait a second. I am here on the right commit. Yes, I am. And is it being used on the comparison? Apparently yes. Let's refresh 1 second more just in case. Yeah, so we want to remove JIT attributes altogether and cheat attributes. Where are you, my friend? Wait, what? Why is not this? Yeah, sorry. Here we want to remove hit attributes. So this is remove cheat attributes. Now we want to make a log and say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is probably 10. Something like this. So you want this to be here, and you want to squash this to whatever it was coming before you. Yeah, I think we can make this like this. And here you are. Now you have a commit down here, which is this one, which removes the file and which modifies the cheat ignore. So this we are fine right now. Okay, so let me refresh this once again, and we will go on with all of this. So we have some files which are, yeah, some files which needs to be released and removed. But so far there are not many changes if you take a look at it. There's a new file which I'm not sure that it's being used at all. X11. There's a copy. Take a look at this. Here there is a copy. Maybe there are some repos that have this copy file, and this help us, because it's not a good thing to have a copy here. So this is probably from someone that. Okay, so going to move this to the other screen so that it's easier to see everything. So there are two files that are removed, which are makefile did we remove them already? Or are there files that are being added? No, they should be removed. Bitcoin, country seeds, readme. We should have a makefile, but I'm not sure. Is this something that it's let me see 1 second. Where are you, my friend? Yeah, so inside of SRC there are makefile and makefile release with capital letter here. So this should be removed. Yeah, we are going to just put them here like this, and we are done. What more do we have here? Let's refresh everything so that I can see everything. So we have all of these files that are being changed, which are images. So far I'm going to change the images so that everything is in one place. So this one. I'm doing this on the other screen, and then we've got some old images or not sure about that. And yeah, what about, there is a new file. Yeah, we should have this new file too, and that's it. Okay, so now we should see a lot of stuff here. So these are files that have been modified or whatever. And so what we want to do is to do something like this. Yeah, okay. src qt image binary images change. And the other one is just we added res images something. I wonder this file what the hell is about. Maybe this is something about xc something. So this is a new image. Let me check what the hell is this image. I'm always doing the same thing because sure, not here. Qt, yeah, that's here. We have a new image somewhere. Qt images, no, Qt res icons. We should have a file that starts with an res icons. Okay, res images. Okay, this one. Not sure why is this here, but it is here. Maybe we should track this file, see where this file is about. Track this new file. Okay, so let's continue. So right now we have, let's refresh this. Right now we have some more changes to check, which are related to everything here, and it's not too much. I mean, this is checkpoints, which is having this checkpoint here. Yeah. So and then there is main.cpp, which sure what the hell is this, and makefile net.cpp also is changed here because we have the new sits and something else. So can I track? Okay, yeah, there are some colors here. Sit and sit. Yeah, probably the sits are changed somehow between one of the... Okay, so then there's version. Okay, if you want to. Yeah, so let's do this. Yeah, okay. There's an extra space because why wouldn't you have an extra space? Oh my god. Oh my god. They are... Yeah, let's modify this so that it doesn't have any space on 25 line. Something. Nice. So now I can check. I can say that I update the checkpoint. Wait a minute. Yeah, let's do it in 2 steps. src checkpoints.cpp. So I want this one, but not this one. So this should be add new checkpoint. Okay, now this is update master pub key. Let's update master pub key. And now I can refresh this and copy the file and make a copy make a commit of a single line, which is going to be this one. Checkpoints.cpp extra line, extra blank line, which is not useful at all. Okay, so once we have this, what more do we need? Yeah, we have this one about This is something like date, build version. This is not something that okay, so here we have this version.h. Version.h. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, bump the version, I mean. So what you want to do is to copy to the right, and then you just add the version and you say something like version.h pump version to 09433. Sorry. Yeah, mean. This is not quite. Okay, so now we have these two files which are I'm not sure what the hell does this. So this is the main CPP. Yeah, so let's copy this to the right and let's see. This is I guess this is make sure X11 make sure it's not 0. I mean, hopefully that's the meaning, but that's the right meaning. Why is there a difference here between main age and the other ones? I don't understand. I mean, if this is a difference, main age 2020, yeah, probably the date. Okay, so net.cpp, let's copy everything and then compare whatever. So once again we have all of this stuff that it's about the seed. Wait a minute, what the hell is this? Why does it has 2? STR DNSC2. Why would you do this like this with the 2? Okay, because there are 2 lines. Is that I do not understand if this is right or not. So apparently you have this line which sure about it, and then you've got this pointer here which is modified twice. The first time you've got this, the second time you've got those down. Okay, yeah, this is the main one and this is the testnet, and you've got 2 like if you were modifying the second entry. And that's interesting. And then finally there's the seed down here, which is also modified here. That this is from with some spaces here. Yeah, so I'm going to make going to do this on 3 steps. So this is going to be seed change, seed update. So I want to commit this, not this. So what was this file about? net.cpp. Update seeds. So this is one. Nice. Then this is 2. And we are done, isn't it? This is number 3. Okay, so have we finished or something? Because there are no differences. Media. Yeah, not sure. In any case, we can use compare as we did before and see if there is anything that we have missed here. Okay, so the only differences should be the GIT, and that's what we have here. Only the GIT is different. So we have finished. I'll go back in a minute. Okay, so now we should be able to move this directory into here and push it in the right place, which I'm going to do from here. So what we have here is this new branch. Okay, we have this new branch which I'm going to push here. And now we should be able to go into the repo, which is the cbrains one. So we've got all of these commits, which I'm going to show in the. I'm going to add it a bit in the description so that anyone can use them if they want to. Okay, so now we have all the changes. So we have this passed from X11 coin. with all of these small changes, and then we have all of these changes that are not a lot, which is remove some files here, add and modify them. Then there are these files for the Debian packages that apparently were added because they were not there before. Some translation or whatever it is, these were removed. New license file, new rar file, which later on is removed. This all B2 directory, whatever. Images are changed. There's a new checkpoint, a new master pub key that makes sense, and yeah, and then checkpoints. The seeds were updated, and there's this line about making sure the n bytes is not 0. This is probably on other repos. The same thing has been done. So from here we can go to the future thanks to from here we can go to the future, and so the place where the future is this one. So this is the future, and thanks to the future we can go into this branch, which starts here on this commit. Okay, this state should be the same one as this commit here. Then you go to the future, and this state is the same one as the Machi repo on the first commit. So if you go to the past, the first commit should be the last commit from here. So that's it. So next video is about link Badgercoin and Cbrains X11 coin. Okay, that is what's this. This is what's about. Yeah, that's right. Thank you very much for watching this video. Okay, so thank you very much